Meaning of exogenous.
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 Exogenous. Exogenous refers to something that originates from outside a system or organism. In other words, it is a factor or influence that is external to the subject being studied or considered. The effects of exogenous factors can be profound and wide-ranging, depending on the nature and scope of the system or organism being affected. In many cases, exogenous factors are seen as unpredictable, uncontrollable, or even unavoidable. This can make them particularly challenging for researchers, policymakers, and individuals seeking to understand or manage complex systems in the natural world or society.